Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. So today what we're gonna do is hash brown casserole. This is what I've been doing for my Thanksgiving dinners. This is what I bring to wherever I go. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's really quick, I mean super easy. I just put a pack, 8 ounces of Kobe cheese. It could be Kobe cheese, it could be Monterey Jack cheese, just whatever cheese you prefer. I put a can of cream of chicken. Simple like that. Just scoop it all in there. I don't like leaving anything to waste, so I make sure I really go in there. Right, and then I put 1/4 cup of melted margarine. So it doesn't have to be a stick of butter. It can be if you prefer, but I just put margarine. All right, and then I season it with, I would say, a teaspoon of salt and pepper. I don't really measure things, so I just kind of eyeball it. But if you like to measure things, then I would say about a teaspoon of salt and pepper. I can put a little bit more salt, because, you know, that's good. All right, so now, super easy. Bless you. So we just mix that all up in there, as you can see. Nice and chunky. Oh, I wish you could smell it. It actually smells pretty good. It's not even like cooked yet. It smells really good. All right, and oh, I almost forgot. Half a yellow onion chopped. I almost forgot about that. All right, now let's mix that up again. So guys, tell me on your comments below, what is your favorite Thanksgiving dinner? Also, what is your go-to for, you know, if you have to bring something to someone's house? What do you usually bring? Do you cook? Do you bake? Or do you just buy something at the grocery store? I would love to know. Tell me a story. Okay, so now, last part, I should have taken my jewelry off. All right, so I'm gonna add the hash brown. Now what I do, some people like to put freshly cut potatoes. That's perfectly fine. I've done that as well. But when you are in a rush, like I am today, I just get the frozen bag of shredded hash browns and I pour that in there. Now the reason why I took off my jewelry is, again, some people like to mix with spoons or whatever. I like to just get in there and get it dirty. So first I start kind of using the spoon. But then once I put too much hash brown, it just becomes so overpowering that I just need to mix it with my hands. It becomes really heavy too. So I like to just mix it little by little just to make sure that it kind of spreads all throughout. I have, depending on how you like the texture, I sometimes get 2 cans of the cream of chicken, or I sometimes get 2 bags of cheese. It just depends on how cheesy you like it, how moist you like it. But today, just to keep it simple, I'm keeping it with just 1 can and 1 bag of cheese. So it's almost done. So now I kind of gotta get in there because it's a lot. I washed my hands previously, guys, don't worry. And it's family, so everybody knows how I make my hash brown, so it's no secret. So see, I just have to kind of get in there, get that really nice mix. And because these potatoes are frozen, my fingers are frozen, guys. This is crazy. All right, I think I got that really nicely mixed in there, and now I'm just gonna pour it into the pan. I preheated the oven to 350 degrees already, so that part was all set. it. And now I am just pouring this in there. Did you see how quick that was? I mean, this is already set to get put in the oven and start baking. I think that was like the fastest thing ever. So this is a really quick to go to meal that you can bring to a party. Doesn't have to be Thanksgiving, could be Christmas, could be any event, honestly. And trust me, everyone loves it. So right after you get this in there, you can pop it in the oven. Again, I set it up to 350 degrees, and I'm gonna leave that in there for about a good 45 minutes, and I will check back with you guys once it's done. All right, now that it is done, let's take it out of the oven. You want to make sure it has that nice golden brown look. Mine might have gotten a little bit overcooked, but it's still good. So there you have it. That's how you make hash brown casserole, quick and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye now.